Imagine a robot, not powered by ordinary artificial intelligence, not by lines of code or ones and zeros, but by real human brain cells, something that, just a few years ago, existed only in science fiction, is now real inside a laboratory. Scientists in China have successfully created a robot that is controlled by human brain cells grown in a lab. This project blurs the line between human and machine more than ever before. But what exactly is happening here? Does this robot actually think? And more importantly, where is this technology taking us? For this experiment, scientists used cells that have the ability to become neurons. These cells were grown under special laboratory conditions and developed into something called a brain organoid. A brain organoid is a tiny, simplified version of the human brain containing living neurons that can send and receive electrical signals. These brain cells are placed on an electronic chip, a chip capable of translating neural signals into commands a robot can understand. But how is the robot actually controlled? This robot is not connected to a human brain. No person is operating it. There is no joystick, no manual control. Instead, the brain organoid acts as a decision-making center. When the robot interacts with its environment, for example, when it encounters an obstacle, information is sent as signals to the brain cells. The neurons respond, generate electrical activity, and those signals are sent back to the robot to determine its next move. Simply put, this robot learns, but not like conventional AI. Unlike today's artificial intelligence systems, there are no massive datasets here, no classic machine learning algorithms. Its learning process is closer to how living organisms learn. Scientists say these brain cells can recognize patterns, improve performance over time, and even develop a very primitive form of memory. This means we are witnessing a form of hybrid biological intelligence, not fully human, not fully machine, but with major breakthroughs come major concerns. Could these brain cells develop awareness? Researchers emphasize that, at this stage, these structures have no consciousness, no emotions, no understanding, no experience of pain or fear. But the real question is this: what happens if these systems become more complex in the future? There is one important clarification that must be made. When we say this robot is controlled by a human brain, are we actually talking about a complete human brain? The short answer is no. What's used here is not a full human brain. Scientists start with human stem cells and grow them in laboratory conditions into a very small and simplified structure called a brain organoid. Its role is limited to processing basic neural signals. Yet even this early system shows just how thin and sensitive the boundary between biology and technology can be. So, why does this project matter? This technology is not just about building robots. Researchers believe systems like this could help us better understand the human brain, open new paths for studying neurological diseases, and reshape the future of artificial intelligence. Instead of imitation, we are moving towards systems that truly learn. A robot controlled by human brain cells is not just a strange scientific headline. It is a glimpse into a future that may arrive far sooner than we expect. A future where the line between human and machine is no longer so clear. What do you think about this technology? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.